How about we turn any image or view into a 3D model with just a click? Now that is dope. To do this, you need to go to GitHub to Tim Chin page. Link to it in the description, so big shout out to him for making it easy on us. The Easy Environment tool here is free to download and can help you make Gaussian splat from single images with no time. The tool works on Blender 4.3 and above, and you also need some extra space for the files. For now, just click here on the latest release and download the zip file so we can jump to Blender. Inside Blender, hit A to select all and hit X to delete. Then go to the properties and install the zip file from disk as usual. You will find the Easy Environment menu inside the In panel, so hit the Install button to download the files. You can go to System Console to see the progress. Might take some time based on your net speed, so leave it for a minute or two until the Easy Environment Fully Installed line appear, and the Install area in the menu should disappear by now. The menu is beyond easy. Just select the device, GPU if you're not on Potato PC, then select an output folder for the Gaussian splat file, and to the final click, hit Generate PLY from Image. Choose any image you have, wait a couple of seconds, and here we go. Switch to Material mode to see it clearly. Hit Enable Active to view to fill those gaps in the model, and dive into it as you like. For a tool to generate Gaussian splat from images this easy and all free, this is quite amazing. You can from here play with the preview, make it as point cloud, the real splat view, or play with the colors before you threw anything inside and render it. I tested on both Blender 4.5 and Blender 5, and the result was great, so have fun with it and support the author if you can. See you next time. Stay sharp. Goodbye.